What's going on, guys and gals? Brad here for LaytonSportsCards. We're ripping a 2020 Bowman Draft Jumbo for Ryan H. Good luck, Ryan. Let's see what you got. Grayson Rodriguez, Xavier Warren, purple, Logan Allen to 250, purple chrome, aqua, Blake Rutherford. Yep, I have room. McClanahan, Patrick Bailey. Ace. Yep, I've got room. Room for personals, guys. Grab them up. There is a line, but I do have room. Pete Crow Armstrong, Bryson Stott. Green auto to 99. Casey Schmidt. There you go, Giants. Nice. Torkelson base. Got Jordan Groshans, Emerson Hancock, base. Purple paper to 250, Jackson Miller. Got O'Neal Cruz, Nick Lofton, Aqua, Liam Norris, Chuck's nephew. Carter Baumler, Ben Hernandez. Insert space. Austin Hendrick, Oswald Peraza. Insert auto, Dylan Dingler to 250. There you go. Paper and base. Shane McClanahan, Patrick Bailey refractor. Balazovic, JJ Bleday. Balazovic, Nick Gonzalez. Base. Gold paper to 50 is Addison Coffey. Gold paper. AJ Vukovic, Tristan Lutz. Base. What's up, James? Elric Soler, Matthew Dyer, Sparkle, Milan Tolentino, and refractor auto to 499, Alec Burleson. Or Burleson. Nice Burleson. First Bowman. Last pack. Baumler, Ben Hernandez, base. And that'll do it. We'll get those right out to you, man. Thanks for the purchase. We do appreciate it, Ryan.